When you get your monthly Social Security statement, it's going to show how much you pay for Medicare Part B, how much you pay for Medicare Part D, and there might be more things on there, and those raise a lot of questions that I'm going to talk about in this video. I am Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare Family. My family's here to help you with your exciting, incredible Medicare questions. This is kind of a easy one. So somebody called in and they said, I'm looking at my mom's Social Security statement and it shows her Part D, her drug premium was taken out of her Social Security and they took out $32. Then there's another line for the Part D and it says they took out another $12. So did her insurance go up? The answer is no, she has a success penalty. It's not really what they call it. They actually call it IRMAA, Income Related Monthly Medicare Adjustment. Did I get one of them? I don't know. Adjustment amount? You get what I'm saying. So the rich pay more. And I've done quite a few videos on this over the years, how you have to pay more if your adjusted gross income from 2 years prior meets certain thresholds. And if you'd like to know the thresholds for this year, you can ask me in the comments. So generally, most of us can agree that the rich can afford to pay a little bit more than the average person on Medicare. So the really rich pay a lot more, and it's staggered. There's about 5 different tiers. So if you look at you're helping your family, you're looking at their monthly Social Security statement and you see some of those extra amounts, and it says IRMAA, Income Related Monthly Adjustment, that's what it is. It's because of the income was higher 2 years ago. Now you might say, well, since that time, we sold the farm, we retired, all these different things happened. Oh, we got a huge inheritance that year, so that shouldn't require us to pay more now. Yes, that is true, and that's why you can appeal this penalty. And you can file the form with Medicare. It is the SSA-44 form. It is 8 pages. And it'll allow you to say why you shouldn't be paying this penalty. And people have very good luck getting the penalty removed. So don't just take it sitting down if you don't feel that it's fair, that your situation has changed, and it'll list there's like 7 different situations that would qualify. You can get this penalty removed. Hope this was helpful. If you have questions, be sure to call us, email us, or ask me in the comments below. We're here to help.